Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We are at D23 2022.
Yes, we are so excited to be here. We're gonna go and check out the floor, see what's going on. I am so excited. Are you?
There's a lot of stuff I want to see. Yeah, let's just get in there. All right, we're headed into Exhibit Hall A, and before we go any further and we get on the floor, please take a second to subscribe to Best Life and Beyond. It's free. We have a lot of great content. We'd love to have you.
Oh, the red carpet of D23.
Do you smell it? The red carpet has a kind of a smell. Phantasmic 30 years. Oh,
now
look.
That's a good sign.
Wow.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, these are good. Look at this. Applause.
Oh, from the movie Aladdin's 30 years.
Wow, look at the rendition of the El Capitan right there. That's so cool. And look at the floor markers representing the stars on the boulevard. Mickey Mouse. And there's Minnie Mouse. I was there the day Minnie Mouse got her star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. There's a video on it. We have one. You can watch it.
It's always such a sensory overload because there's so much to do and see.
Yeah, there really is. That's why I kind of cruise the perimeter first.
Yeah.
I see some good Mickey art right here, though. Oh, look, Katie. Yosemite.
Oh, look at that.
Right there. Mickey has visited there. And these two big pieces are really cool because they've got all the imagery inside the fills. Oh, good Haunted Mansion piece right there too. It's a shag, of course. You can tell by the style. This whole wall is shag. I already get overwhelmed when I see artwork. I want to go through every piece, but we have to kind of spread it around and keep cruising.
Yes.
But it's so easy to get caught up here.
Yeah, it is.
Right away.
Dang, Thanos.
Yeah, heavy, huh?
That's scary.
Yeah.
I bet you that's what he looks like in real life.
Look at all these costumes, Katie.
Yeah, Marvel. Oh, there's Thor, my favorite.
Yeah, the Gnasher, there he is.
Goats will bite.
X-Wing pilot, Katie. X-Wing pilot.
Oh, rad.
Yes.
Always a good costume.
Yeah. That's another thing I look forward to in coming to these is seeing all the cosplay.
Yeah.
And as opposed to like a Comic-Con where the cosplay is like a broad scale of different things, this is just pretty much all Disney.
Which I love.
Marvel, Pixar.
Star Wars, yeah.
Star Wars, but I would say all Disney. Yeah. Whoa, bright lights. Oh, hey, look, Disney Plus. Remember, this is where we got our 3-year subscription the last time we were at D23. We opted in, and we actually dig our Disney Plus. We utilize it.
Well, yeah, I think it was a 3-year deal, so it's probably expiring pretty soon.
Yeah, oh, the ever-popular Star Wars booth. It's funny to call it a booth because it's more like a giant space.
Yeah.
Wow. Got some costumes in there as well. Oh, hey, is that Maui, Katie?
Yeah.
Wow.
Little Maui's having trouble with his hook.
Bullseye's Diner.
That's cute.
We're a fan of Bullseye. We like Target. What do they got going? Oh, they're serving up smiles, Katie.
That's so adorable.
Kaylee would love this. Look
She would be on cloud 9 right now.
Get in there and get a picture for her. Jump in.
Okay.
Nice. It's a designated D23 Expo photo spot, Katie, just so you know.
Good to know.
Disney Cruise Line, well represented.
I have to say, I almost like this better than the last year we were here, which was 2018 or 2019.
Oh, look, there's the Walt statue. It's going to be put up at Epcot. Wow, look at the silhouette foregrounds, too.
Oh, look at Walt.
Hey, there goes Dumbo. Pixar Charlie?
Next little single file line, make sure we're filling all available gaps.
All right, so there's really no secret about our approach, Katie. We keep moving forward.
Disneyland.
There she
They're
is.
showing all the parks. Walt Disney World.
Yep, all the castles.
Oh, the music, great. I'm gonna cry
yeah.
now. Dang it.
And curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. Walt Disney, I can hear that in his voice. Oh, there's that Walt statue again. Wow, he's dreaming. That's so cool. All right, we're looking at Tiana's Bayou Adventure concept model. Check this out.
All the lights in the tunnel.
Crazy how the boat concept on the very top is not featured anymore. It looks like that got scrapped. So they'll take the log away and it'll just be kind of looking like that.
Okay, so I'm loving all of this in-depth look at Splash Mountain. I'm loving that they're putting every little detail on the concept model. It's fantastic.
There's us on the bridge. looking at it the first day. So there'll be a lot more people than that. Here's some Imagineering happening for the attraction, influences, R&D. Ooh, look at the nighttime. That's what's up. Wow.
Right, so I can see this.
Oh yeah, there's the restaurant. They've got the little teasers in the window over there. Eudora's Chic Boutique and Tiana's Gourmet Secrets. Oh wow, there's the concept for the inside. And if you didn't know already, we are in the Disneyland Resort section. We kind of went over to Splash first, but there is the reimagined Toontown concept. We've seen that before. It's just in a nice large format.
Yeah, and now we'll get to see a completed model.
Yes, and then there is the Runaway Railway graphic, which I love. I've never seen that one. That must be our version, right?
Yeah, that's what's coming.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that section of Toontown, the Runaway Railway and the old little town square. City Hall, actually.
He said that our ride is going to be the exact same as Florida, but the pre-show will be different.
Okay. Yeah, different theater, so it would have to be, yeah. And now we're moving across the street in Toontown to the SS Daisy. Looks like the area around it has been reimagined, but there's still the bridge. There's Goofy's house. I think they did a different paint job to it. And then his backyard has been completely reimagined. I don't see any whirligigs, but that doesn't mean they might not be there. And then look at the structures in the back there. Those are new. There's like an interactive play area, like a clubhouse over there on the left. A little shade area next to it.
And they made it all more accessible, and they made it more sensory friendly.
That's awesome.
So, I mean, just that alone.
And I love Walt's Dreamin' Tree with the roots. Looks like everybody's kind of playing around in there and sitting on the roots, and that's Centennial Park area. So that's the new fountain, all interactive.
So the fountain to the left is
That's so awesome. And then that'll be all that fake grass, all the AstroTurf, I'm sure. Water conservation grass. Look who just showed up. Victor's in the house.
Victor.
First time here.
No, no way. Are you enjoying it?
What?
All right.
You guys,
So much to see.
we all
So
need
much.
to
So-
Okay, so this is huge, you guys. Walt the Dreamer statue is actually here at D23. We've been hearing about this statue for a long time. So this statue is eventually going to be located in Epcot at Walt Disney World in Florida at a place called Dreamer's Point in the World Celebration area. I'm guessing it's life-size. It feels like it's life-size. And the fact that we're getting to look at the actual statue and take pictures with it is pretty amazing.
That's impressive. We've been waiting for this. Epcot. They've got some cool media of the making of. Look at that.
So for Magic Band Plus, we are confirmed that that is what we're going to be getting at the Disneyland Resort. They will be here before the year is over. So about, 3.5, 4 months, and we're going to have them. And on the Magic Bands, they actually showed us one that was for Disneyland on the watch bands. They were also showing us how they have the interactivity with all of the shows throughout the resort.
Mode.
Yeah, the performance mode.
Yeah.
But super cool, especially seeing Disneyland on a Magic Band. That's great. So by the way, they are not going to get regular Magic Bands. We are going straight to Magic Band Plus here at Disneyland.
Research and development, providing the tools, putting in the man hours to get the science you need.
Yes, yesterday we put liquid paper on a bee and it died.
All right, so here's Catino, concept art for the Palm Springs
Wow.
development. It'll be private as well as public, kind of a combo, which will be interesting to see how that pans out.
That'll be so cool.
Go hang out on this little beach right here. And we're just getting started, Katie. We're just getting started. Check out this photo op for the 100th of the studios, the animation studios. I love it. Mickey's strumming his guitar, and they've got a timeline of the whole thing, starting with Snow White. Look at, it's amazing. All right, replica of the Main Street clock, to scale. It looks bigger inside because there's a ceiling and there's reference around. Normally it's in the open air, but we're gonna take a picture with the old Citizen Main Street clock.
Look at our little friends down here.
Oh, that's amazing. So this is cool. Disney on Broadway, and it's a virtual theater. Everybody's got their virtual goggles on and they're watching Frozen, it looks like. Look at that, that's funny. Okay, we're on our way to the thing that I've been looking forward to this entire time, and there is the banner. That's where we're going, the Mickey Mouse one. Walt's playing, it's here. This is like pretty much the main reason I wanted to show up here. There's a little model of it there, just to get you in the mood. Wow. It looks so good. Wow. It's hard to believe. It's actually hard to believe that we're looking at this. I'm floored. Floored. There's a couple of pieces of merch. I flew the mouse. I don't feel like I would qualify to get that shirt because I didn't. I like that though. Pilot Mickey Mouse. That's awesome. We got some cool postcards as a keepsake when you leave the plane. Those are nice. Oh yeah. Okay, that was insane. We even got a picture. They take a cool D23 picture, which they've been doing. Here's a shot of Victor in front of the plane. Too much, man. That was it. That's all I really wanted. Now we'll just cruise. There's more to see, of course. Stay tuned, don't leave. Speeder bike trooper alert, speeder bike trooper. All right, we're gonna check out the D23 Marketplace virtual queue. We just returned. So we're gonna get in this massive line. And when I say check out, I mean check out, not checking out with merchandise because I'm done. But we're gonna check some stuff out at the very least. All right, Expo Marketplace. Gonna tempt us, Mickey? You are, aren't you? Gonna tempt us with all your goodness. Oh, look at this. Look at Chrome Mickey. What's up? Dude.
That looks really cool.
That's amazing.
I love it.
These are the Platinum 100th anniversary years for the company.
And I may or may not have pre-ordered those.
She did.
But now I also need to get those purple ones back
pretty
there.
cool.
Those ears were $175, honey. So this is the Disney 100 tumbler you can get.
Very nice. Oh,
That's
yeah.
so cute. And it's got an engraved Mickey.
Wow.
Very nice.
Oh,
Starbucks.
look at that.
Drink that on Main Street.
That's right. Thank you. $50 for the tumbler, Katie.
Oh, 50 for the tumbler. Okay.
Yeah. This marketplace is massive.
Yeah, look at this. It's kind of divided into princesses.
Oh,
I'm
Frozen.
seeing.
Kaylee.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's a collector doll set. Let's take a look at it.
Let's open the door.
Oh my goodness.
There they are.
And it is $2.99 for that.
$2.99.
Wow.
$299. Uh-oh, we got some Snow White stuff. Look at
And I
those.
love Snow White, and I need these ears.
Oh boy.
Oh,
They are pretty cool, actually.
no, they really are. How much are these ears? I can't see. 50? They're cute. If they have a shirt with this design, it's coming home with me.
Look at that.
What do you think of that one?
I like this one, but I like that design better.
I like that design better, but I do like that shirt.
Yeah, it's cool.
I like that. It's soft.
Oh,
so
there it
is. It's for the 85th anniversary.
I love
and
how they
it's
built her head into the apple. That's
$39.99 for that.
And it says Snow White.
She's my German princess.
There's this little purse, also for the 85th. Pretty cool. And check out the mine cart with Sleepy. That is so cool. It's $29.99. Oh, they've got the same graphic on a
Like a tumbler type thing.
type of deal.
And that is $29.99. They also have a graphic on the Dooney and Burke collection. They have a wallet, $168. And then they have another bag right here. And the bag is $298. And we have some Tiana ears. These are new. It's a collab with Color Me Courtney or Color McCourtney? I think Color Me Courtney. Very cute. These are $39.99.
I love the displays. These are cool.
Yeah, the displays are awesome. Oh wow, look at all the Tron stuff.
Oh yeah, that is cool. Look at that.
Wow.
The light cycle on there.
36.
Check out the members only style right there. What's up?
Right? That's what it's called. Remember?
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
look at the back.
Oh, that's wicked.
Oh, Avatar.
Avatar section. Whoa.
Wow, these are cool
It's those
looking
crazy
ears.
jellyfish things that we see on
the
river.
Navi River.
Yeah.
Let's see, it looks like they light up because this is really
they would
heavy.
have to.
Let's see.
The way they dangle too, it's so cool. Kind of see them right there.
Yeah.
And they kind of pulse a little. Oh, that's amazing. I like the t-shirt design and the sweatshirt materials. That nice, like, athletic, I don't know. It's just
Fleece,
lightweight.
yeah.
It's so amazing. And it glows in the dark, it says.
Or
So-
polyester? Is it
Dots glow.
polyester?
I don't know, but it's really nice.
Spandex.
Spandex.
I think it's spandex. We're just going over material here, trying to figure out what they were.
I'm a fan of the
I love it, Vivi.
spandex.
Come
There's a
on,
button down. Cool. I like all the topographic kind of patterns. Oh, you can get a tail, Katie.
And ears.
Little combo set. Oh, Star Wars. If they should buy wars, let this one stay. This is some interesting Star Wars
This looks
gear.
like what you would see on the
Star Cruiser.
Star Cruiser, yeah.
Yeah, look at these ears. I don't know if I'm down with these, but there they are.
They're a little funny looking, and they say this on the back.
Yeah. All right, big Marvel section. Spidey plush. He's kind of funny. Oh, you can take his mask off. That's why his head looks kind of funny. Check out this Black Panther mask. Wow. That's awesome. X-Men shirt. Little cartoon comic inspired style with a little embroidered X-Men logo there. Okay, the lights literally just kind of dimmed sharply. Almost like when you're at a bar at 2 a.m. and they turn the lights on to tell everybody, by the way, it's time to go home. D23, day one, is complete. But similar to Disneyland and DCA, they're staying open for shopping. As you can see, there's a ton of people in here still. So, wrapping up, we shut it down.
Is it after hours?
This is after hours D23 now.
Let me just give you a little fun fact real quick.
Yeah.
Use mobile checkout if you're coming to shop here, because if you are in Inspire Key and possibly the Believe Key, I don't know what all the discounts are, but point is, we got our Magic Key discount on the merchandise. And I went with the Snow White shirt
Okay.
instead of the ears because they're a little too like,
The ear placement.
Whoa.
She's picky about the ear placement.
it has to be right. It's gotta be right.
Yeah, so it was one
We
of those
shut
things
it
where
down. We shut down the expo.
we did. Hey, Victor, you ever go tractor tipping? Thanks, Mickey. You got my wallet. Check it out. Here's tomorrow's stock. Coming in hot. They got the goods. Turn your lights down low. D23's over. You gotta let them know.
Well, I had a good time. How about you?
It was fun.
I
Yeah.
really had a good time.
Yeah, it was chill, surprisingly.
Yeah,
And we got some cool stuff.
that we did.
There were some things that we probably missed,
Yeah, there's always a few things that you miss.
but you know,
It was still a really good time.
it was fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to our patrons for supporting this channel. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye, Victor. Bye-bye, everybody.